we're now going to review a hack from a startup called Wootag, based in Indonesia. So we're actually going to, during TADHack Global, hopefully, fingers crossed, have Indonesia as one of the new locations. So this is very relevant. So you might recognize the guy there, Raj. He was at the first ever TAD Summit in Bangkok. So we'll do the video and then we'll talk to Raj.
Hi. Thanks, TADHack, for giving us an opportunity to showcase Wootag. Wootag is an interactive video platform. We believe video is a tool to help share information and ideas instantaneously. And like the way TADHack is doing is for any presentation, they need to upload a video to explain their concept ideas. So video is the best platform, the best content medium which has been used. And where we make it interesting is the in-video experience, the ability for the customers or anybody to sell their product, to create sign-ups, to generate leads. And one of the interesting area which we are working towards is generate click-to-calls right through the video. Some of our customers in this region are who sell insurance products, who have automobile. These are all primary set of segments who really don't depend on e-commerce as a fulfillment. They need a customer touch point. They want to speak to the agent. They want to speak to the right representative to finish off the deal. And that's the kind of the medium they're already looking for to use Wootag for, not just to showcase their product. How can that showcase create calls to them? Just to give you guys an example. Here's a video where an insurance agent can receive a call while a viewer is viewing it on their browsers, on their tablets, the mobile phones, on IPTVs, and pretty much any screen where they can. And I'm just going to show you an example how beautifully a click-to-call functionality can be enabled in partnering with Happy Days. So here is a functionality by which a viewer can able to understand about what is the product all about, and by clicking on it, it can generate a call to this particular number using Happy Days JavaScript APIs, and that's exactly where we find this experience so cool from an advertisement, generating a call to our insurance agent and convert that into a lead and sales. And that's the demand which we brought in a much beautiful user experience without selling any bit of technology in it. And the same experience which we generate right inside Facebook for a viewer to understand what the product is, able to create a call by a click, is where the magic which we are bringing in, and we feel this will be changing the entire way the videos are being perceived, the entire way videos are used to create sales leads and engagements and calls. Thank you.
Hi, my name is
Hey Raj, it helps when I unmute. Thanks for that. So now over to Q&A with the judges. So any questions for Raj?
Hey guys.
Raj has just founded this company like a year ago. They've got this neat little sort of, as you can see, way of making videos interactive. And we just had a chat before this TADHack saying, well, why don't you include click to call? And it really is just quickly hacked with the Happy Days guys. And they've added that capability on and are able to show it with one of the first commercial services that they've launched. So it's nice to just see such rapid from concept to deployment.
Do they have any statistics on what percentage of users who are watching the video actually make the calls? Have you got any experience on that yet?
Yeah, it's a great question. And I'm going to give you guys a real example which we did with one of the Unilever brand, which is Pepsodent. And Pepsodent has a campaign called The Dentist. What it means is they have a set of dentists in this region and they expect the viewers to interact with the dentist and ask them specific questions. And that's a campaign. We enabled it for them. And for all of top reviews, they got almost 22% engagement rates, but people have gone into their numbers and dialed up in terms of that's the level of experience we are seeing. I never wondered, when I spoke with a brand like Unilever to try out a campaign like calling the dentist through a video. That's like pretty innovative from an FMCG brand. And then insurance, they looked at it and said, okay, we wanted to have this experience where people can able to dial out to insurance agents. And we are in roads with some of the automobile ads. And then we showed them the product in terms of how a beautiful video can showcase a full-fledged interior experience and also can able to book a test drive over a call. These are the various real-life scenarios. After a couple of use cases, we've been asked by brands to use our product to enable that kind of an experience on PC browsers, tablets, mobiles, pretty much all screens. Yeah.
I think it's important to note that this is, they do a lot of business in Asia and particularly Indonesia, where it's, I think, for interacting with brands, it's a lot more voice-centric than maybe the West has become, where it's more an offline interaction. Oh, yes, Jean.
Can you pass contextual information when you make the call to know when the guy clicked on the call button to see where in the video he was interested into getting talk to an agent?
Did you get that, Raj?
No,
yeah, I'll repeat it.
That'll be great.
Yeah. Can you pass contextual information when somebody calls? The browser, other related information to help the agent.
Yeah, so we collect all the data real time, and the data are like the timing of the call, the view pattern, which device, which location, which city, and which browser, whether it's an iOS or Android or Nokia, and then and also the interesting part is, let's say the same user had viewed, let's say 1 month before another video where they have lead generated in terms of putting their name and address. We also have the data, so we can easily cross-pollinate in terms of, okay, you know what, this is the person who called you in terms of that particular agent. So, and all these data are microsecond difference in terms of real time, pretty much.
Cool. With that then, let's show appreciation for a very interesting hack from Raj.